Hey everyone, today I've got some groundbreaking news from the auto industry that's shaking things up in Europe. Volkswagen, Germany's largest automaker, has announced plans to close at least 3 factories in its home country. This is a historic move as it's the first time in Volkswagen's 87-year history that it will be shutting down plants in Germany. So, what's behind this decision? Well, it all boils down to a combination of external pressures and internal restructuring. Volkswagen has been struggling to keep up with the global auto industry's rapid transformation, especially with the rise of electric vehicles and autonomous driving technologies. As competition from companies like Tesla and Chinese automakers intensifies, Volkswagen has found itself lagging behind. Another factor? The European market, once a stronghold for Volkswagen, has seen a significant slump in demand. Even worse, sales in China, Volkswagen's largest market, have also declined. This double whammy has put a serious strain on the company's profitability. In response, Volkswagen is taking drastic measures to cut costs and streamline operations. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, Germany's deindustrialization. The severed trade relationship with Russia, coupled with the destruction of the Nord Stream pipelines, has led to a rise in fuel costs. These surging costs are hitting the European auto industry hard, making it increasingly difficult for companies to maintain their production levels and profitability. Volkswagen's decision to close its German plants is also a sign of the challenges facing Germany's manufacturing sector. Known for its high-quality cars and skilled workforce, Germany is now grappling with rising labor costs and fierce competition from countries with lower production costs. Volkswagen argues that its German factories are not as productive as those in other countries, and that labor costs in Germany are significantly higher. By shifting production to countries with lower labor costs, Volkswagen aims to reduce expenses and improve its bottom line. So, what does the future hold for Volkswagen? The company has outlined a significant shift in its strategy, focusing on developing and producing more electric vehicles. Volkswagen has already invested heavily in electric vehicle technology and plans to launch a wide range of new electric models in the coming years. To achieve these goals, Volkswagen is likely to move more production to countries with lower labor costs and a growing demand for electric vehicles. This could include countries in Eastern Europe, Asia, and South America. The company may also increase its reliance on partnerships and joint ventures to gain access to new technologies and markets. In conclusion, while the closure of German plants and the layoff of tens of thousands of workers is a significant blow to the German economy, Volkswagen believes that these measures are essential for the company to remain competitive and profitable in the years to come. This restructuring is a painful but necessary step for Volkswagen to secure its long-term future in an ever-evolving auto industry. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the auto industry. See you next time.